one of the phrases I've heard a lot of people say is build back better. And that's concept of, again, rethinking what we're doing, either from a society point of view or entrepreneurship or business model. Does that ring true to you that we can build back better in a post-pandemic society or business climate?
I'm not going to say I don't agree, but I don't see it that way in the businesses that I'm involved
Okay.
in. And we want to build back to where we were. Maybe we'll be better than we were because we've had some time to think about it. But our goal isn't to be better. Our goal is to be back. And I run a gym, I run a restaurant, I run several of everything, but construction businesses. We have a jewelry business. And the jewelry business, which came out of Dragons Den, has shifted from a store bricks and mortar model to an online model. We used to be 10% online and 90% bricks and mortar. It's probably 80-20 the other way. We still use the stores as our showcase, but the online tools have exploded. So things are different.
Okay.
Are we better? Well, I'm not going to say we're better, but we're back. We really are active. So, and again, I take no exception with this idea of let's build back better.
Yeah.
I'm just not seeing it